Welcome back, guys. It's amazing. Anyway, it's coming up to Christmas, and a lot of people know that when it comes to Christmas, I'm always doing a different kind of recipes and different kind of stuff, holidays and things where you can make this Christmas. Anyway, remember we going to make Christmas cake this year. We're gonna make it again. Basically, a lot of people ask me for the recipe, but I'm so busy at the moment doing different kind of stuff. But anyway, we will get there. I want to say thank you so much, guys, for your time, you know what I mean, watching the video and subscribing to the YouTube channel. And you know what I mean, hopefully this Christmas will be a blessed Christmas, a wonderful Christmas, and also a prosperous new year for all of the fans them. And you know what I mean, we're just gonna look forward for a lot more different things that coming in the new year, and also a lot of different things gonna come up this Christmas also. So remember, follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, Google+. Get my new cookbook, which is gonna come out next year. Hopefully we can do the best for it to launch next year. It's just love and prosperity and blessing to all of the fans them. We love you, and this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. And remember to get my cookbook, and this is just a Christmas tips. We will come out. We have a few things which we've been doing so far about Christmas. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel, guys. It's just amazing. You know what I mean? Thank you so much. It is a blessing from me. Thank you.